I'm Eagle AJ, and today is a taut line and the sheep bend. Alright y'all, so here's how you tie your sheep bend. You take your bigger rope and you make a U shape like this. And then you take your little rope and you put it under and pull it out to the side. Then you take it around the back like so. Make sure you keep it just like this. And then you take your little end and put it right through this hole right here. And then you pull both ends tight. And there's your sheep bend. Alright y'all, so here's how you tie your taut line. First thing you do is you take it around your object, like your post or whatever you're tying your knot to. And then it's very similar to a 2/2 hitch, so you come around and then you go inside. It's different from the 2/2 hitch because you go inside again before you go outside and put it through. And then you pull it tight. And there's your taut line. And you got it sliding in and out. Alright y'all, so say we're trying to tie a clothesline or a tarp line or something to hold something up between two trees, right? We got a rope attached to the tree over there. But this rope just isn't quite long enough to tie around this one. So what we're going to do, instead of panicking, we're going to take our other rope, that's always in our pocket at all times, and kill this bug. And we're going to wrap it around this tree, and we're going to tie our taut line. A taut line is stronger than a 2/2 hitch, plus it is secure when you are not right up against the tree. So right here is just as secure as if it's right here. So we're going to start tight, because you can always tighten, and it's harder to tie a knot when it's super tight. So we're going to take our other rope, we'll make our loop, and we're going to tie our sheep bend in here. So we come up the bottom, my rope would work, up the bottom, we're going around, we're going to make sure it keeps tight, and then we're going to come underneath our little rope. Alright, so we tie our sheep bend instead of the square knot. One, because the ropes are not the same size, and it's a lot better to tie a sheep bend if they're not the same size. Also, a sheep bend is much less likely to slip. So we're going to take over here, and we're going to tie a little safety knot. Just one, to keep the rope out of the way, and two, in case this knot breaks, which it shouldn't. It's just a second layer of protection. And it's just a little overhand knot that ties tight to the rope. And then we're going to take this knot and tighten it down. And tie another safety knot. And there you have it.